Hlala kuyintokozo ukukhuluma nawe ku-channel kama uPastor Niki senza le video liyani Zulu ungamangali ke makunomsindo ozwakalayo. Sibe nje ukuyithoba sibhekana nodaba la. Sicela usubscribe, sicela ulike le video, sicela ube yi-pay member, bhatala at least imali ka-R9 every month ukusupport ke channel nanokuthi it serves as a motivation at the same time because we see with people value the content, value the time that we are giving them. So please, you can also use the account number corner where you can contribute monthly ngemali ongakwazi ucontribute ngayo. Now akukuthokozisa ukuthi are making difference kuyona ke channel nakuthina nje uqobo iphupho esilibhekele kanhlanhla kwakubheka ukuthi hayi pastor ukuphupha la ukhala kakhulu kodwa ngathi ke kunomuntu wesimama engikhuluma naye ngalenkathi ngikhala ukuchazana. So uma uphupho ukhala kungashintsha ehlukahlukene, kodwa abantu esikhathi esiningi baye bafocus entweni eyodwa ukuthi uma uphupho ukhala kusho into ethile, but it can also mean different things ngokwe context ngaleso sikhathi uliphupha lelo phupha lelo. That is why you can find someone othi mina ngiphuphe ngikhala sithi thina kusho ukuthi but kungenze ngale lesichaze ngabi ukuthi sichaze on one angle. So I try by all means ukuthi sithi ukusabalala. So into oqala singayisho ukuthi uma uphupha la ukhala uphawu oluhle olusukela uqiniseka ukuthi lindela uma kusa ukuthi uma kusa uzojabula ngoba uzokuzwa indaba ezizokujabulisa. Yabona kukhona indaba ezimnandi ozozizwa ezizokujabulisa. Psalms 30 verse 5 uthi for this anger lasts only a moment but his favor lasts a lifetime. Weeping may last through the night but joy comes with the morning. Number 2, uma uphupha ukhala uphawu oluhlo oluvame nje ukushinhlanhla nokuthi kuzohamba kahle empilweni futhi uzokuthola okufunayo emuva kosizi nokusokola isikhathi eside. Psalms 126 verse 5 to 6 uthi ke those who sow in tears will reap with songs of joy. He who goes out weeping carrying seed to sow will return with songs of joy carrying sheaves with him. Number 3, uma uphupha ukhala still uphawu oluhlo olungaphinde lusho ukuthi umkhuleko wakho uzwakele futhi uzophendulwa kungekudala. Psalms 107 verse 6 ithi then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble and he delivered them from their distress. Number 4, uma uphupha ukhala upha olungabuye lusho ke ukuthi wena ulusizi noma unosizi futhi uzama ukuzwakalisa isikhalo sakho kuNkulunkulu ngomkhuleko. 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 10 ithi ke Hannah was in deep anguish crying bitterly as she prayed to the Lord. So number 5 okunye singakusho ukuthi uma uphupha ukhala kuba uPaulo uma ukhala kabuhlungu futhi unosizi. Kwesinye isikhathi ke lokho kungasho nje ukuthi umuntu nje okhungathekile njengamanje mhlawumbe ubhekene nencindezi, ubhekene mhlawumbe nokulahlekelwa okuthile, ubhekene nokukhathazeka noma ubhekene nokudumazeka noma ke ugqilazwa ubuphofu uthwele kanzima empilweni. Romans 9 verse 27 ithi ke and Isaiah cries out concerning Israel, though the number of the sons of Israel be as the sand of the sea, only a remnant of them will be saved. Number 6, uma uphupha omunye umuntu ekhala uphawu olubi uma ekukhalela lusho ukuthi ke kumele umqaphele, kungenzeka akukhohlise futhi akukhaphele ngemva kwesikhathi ngoba lo muntu loyo ungumzenzisi. Yabona Judges 14 verse 16 ithi Samson's wife wept before him and said, you only hate me and you do not love me. You have pronounced a riddle to the sons of my people and have not told it to me. And he said to her, behold, I have not told it to my father and my mother, so should I tell you? So we know ukuthi la kwenzekani wakhala ulokhuza lapha uDelilah efuna imfihlo kaSamson. So now umuntu ngenze umuntu ekukhalele kanti lo muntu ungumzenzisi. Number 8 and number 7 impeleni uphupha ke la ukhala uphawu lubi umakhala futhi ukhuleka mhlawumbe ngaphakathi kwesakhiwo senkonzo noma ubona usenkonzweni uyakhala uyakhuleka kusho ukuthi wena ngenze kunomuzwa ukuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu usekulahlile noma uNkulunkulu useqhelile kwena. Uma Malaki 2 verse 13 ithi ke and this second thing you do, you cover the Lord's altar with tears with weeping and groaning, because of he no longer regards the offering and accept it with favor from your hand. So into engasho ukuthi ufuna ukhule uphenduke ukuthi ukushintsha ngoba ngenzeka uNkulunkulu vele usethuqhela akasakuzwa kahle ekhaleni. Besibheka nje ukukhala ukuthi ngasho ukuthini, but ukukhala kubika izinto ezinhle esikhathini esiningi njengoba sesichazisa i-break it down into pieces. Siyabonga ke subscriber, like le video, become a paying member, but khokha at least the contribution ngo-9 is not much. 9 rand every month, you can make a difference kithina. Siyacela ukuthi ungakuthatheli kancane lokho, and it motivates guys ukwazi ukuthi abantu ukhuluma nabo they value what you are doing. If you contribute, that means you value what we do, what we bring on the table. Siyabonga ke, may God bless you.